Hello, good afternoon. My name is Jorge Mario Córdoba Alarcón. I am 37 years old. I am studying System Engineering at the National Open and Distance University. What were you doing last Christmas? Last Christmas, I had to work and had to spend Christmas away from my family. Who had the end of my working day, I meet with my wife, my children, and some friends to enjoy their company. Now, I am going to tell you about my preparation. The friche is the typical dish par excellence of La Guajira. Ingredients: 3 spoons of chopped guac, 2 cups of block beef with salt, 1 pound of guac grated, sea garlic halved mixed, 3 beets with onion, pears, and finely chopped, 1 green bell pepper chopped, 1 cup of oil, 4 lemons. Is this general accompanied with flour bone, roast arepas, or yuca, and preferred it with arepas. Preparation: to prepare the friche and biche guac is already used. Tang is not older than 4 months. It is killed, screened, the block is collected and expressed. Fresh block is salted, suki donuts coagulation. The liver are minced and parboiled in water and salt for 20 minutes. The goat mix is watered with lemon and salt and pepper, left to rest for 20 minutes, and the fry in the whole hot oil until medium brown. Add the parboiled and chopped offal, the garlic, on the onion and the paprika. Mix and let fry for 5 minutes. Add the block and cook over low for 30 minutes. Stirring constantly. Finish with serve and enjoy. Come on, make the Guajira and your typical food. Thank you.